There's Speedy. Speedy is eating a worm. That's what it looks like when a turtle eats a worm. Eat it up, Speedy. Eat it up, Speedy. Eat that worm. Get it. Get it, Speedy. Why are you playing with it? There's Speedy eating a worm, and there is Kyron. There is Kyron. Kyron is mad because he is not eating worms too. Would you like a worm, Kyron? Would you like a worm? What? Where's your ball? Get your ball. I see it. Good boy. Get it. Bring here. Bring in the ball. You're distracting the turtle. You're distracting Speedy. She's going to come and bite you. You know she's going to come and bite you. What? Ooh. You're taking a chance. Taking a chance. With that turtle. She's going to get you. The ball. Yes, dog hair and dog slobber. Look at that slobber. Oh, it's so slobbery. Do you want that ball? You do. Do you want the ball? Do you want the ball, Kyron? Does Kyron want the ball? You want the ball? Okay. Get the ball. Get it. Doggies. No. No. Hello, no. What? Speedy. She's still working on that worm. She is still working on that worm. Get that worm, Speedy. Are you ready for another worm? Let's get Speedy another worm. You want to get her another worm? Are you going to help? Are you a helping dog? You are not a helping dog. Stop. Speedy. Bye-bye, worm.